Yeah, you can
Like,
Hey guys, so welcome to my second vlog that I've ever made in my entire life. So today I went out with my friends to the library and we did a lot of studying together whilst having so much fun, and I'm going to walk you through all of it in this video. But anyways, if you have any kind of feedback for my videos, please let me know in the comments so I can improve on my videos later on in the future. Thanks for your support, make sure you subscribe as well, and let's get into it.
that forms, that's what it forms. That's what it takes to form a word. That's a single word. Got that? You learned this from Duolingo. Is this what you learned?
Yeah.
Is this what you learned up to?
This is kind of cool.
That's what takes at least 10 years. Because if I write a random word right now, you're gonna know what it sounds like,
Yeah.
but you're not gonna know what it means.
Yeah.
So what's the point?
You gotta learn.
You gotta learn. You just
Gotta
gotta
learn.
do a bunch of vocab.
Yeah.
Because I'm not prepared.
Wait, you're recording my person.
When you add them together.
It's a conjunction of characters.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I failed already. Just keep
But do
going.
you know what they all sound like? I'm gonna point, you're gonna say,
Ka?
you're gonna tell me what they
Ka?
sound like.
Nah. Yo.
No.
It's not. Yo.
Ka. Again. Ka.
Oh my bad. I might be cooking right now.
When you say these, bro,
You should put a skull emoji.
Oh my god. This
Bro, it's so
consonant. Aya, oyo, uyu, ui.
I'm too good. Sa. Wait, parable of Pharisee and Pastor. I'm putting that up again.
Which chapter was it, Luke?
Luke.
Luke 18.
Luke 18, 9 to 14.
I just read it out.
To some who are confident of their righteousness and look down on everyone else.
Are you reading the
told-
right one?
Righteousness and look down on everyone else. Jesus told this parable. Two men went up to the temple to pray. One Pharisee and the other one was a tax collector. Pharisee is it's a race. The Pharisee stood by himself and prayed to God. Means a story or a evaluation of some people. And it talks about a Pharisee and a tax collector. The way he was praying, he was like listing what he's done.
Hey buddy, you're not human, bro. Don't lie to me.
He's like listing what he's got.
Well, I was supposed to.
He's showing the people in the temple that he's different.
So which one's better?
So that would come a bit later. And like the way that the Bible says you have to pray is it's like the way the Pharisee was praying, he wanted God to say, "Oh, good boy."
Oh, okay, alright.
Yeah.
He says the truth doesn't work.
Why?
Okay. Does that include Moses as well?
Moses.
Yeah,
Everyone in the
I was
Bible
ready.
was better,
Oh, okay.
yeah. I actually cried for 30 minutes doing the song in Cambodia.
Oh, really?
Yeah, me.
How was it?
Just go in.
And bro still have not changed that. Oh
Okay.
my god.
Think about it. I've changed everything except that. Like it's getting there. This song's actually fire.
With his girlfriend.
Whatever. Which one?
Is that his third girlfriend?
Nah, it's like his fifth.
So basically we just moved places since there was another booking of the study room, so now we're just out here.
You just pay for how much you do waste.
Alright guys, it's been a few hours. We're now walking towards like some restaurant. We still haven't decided. Alright, all my days.
switching. It's like,
Text your mom right now that you have to take a really big shit. Text your mom, you're gonna be late, so you have to take a big
My location.
yeah.
can I please have white bread for long, please? Yep, I'll take some mozzarella cheese, please.